If you're having issues with your AirPods, whether they be the original AirPods or even up to the AirPods 3 or even the new AirPods Pro 2nd generation, in this video I'm going to show you how you can potentially fix any issue that might come up with your AirPods. One issue that occurs often with AirPods is that the connection might intermittently drop or it just stops working altogether for really no reason at all. This could be either one AirPod's not working or both are dropping connection, etc. Just follow these simple steps to hopefully fix that issue. On your iPhone or iPad, head into the Settings app and tap the name of your AirPods sitting right there below your name and Apple ID information. If you do not see this banner, you can also head into Bluetooth, find the name of your AirPods, and then tap the eye icon. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap Forget this device. Next, make sure both AirPods are inside of the charging case and that the charging case has a little bit of charge left inside. Locate the small button on the back of the case near the bottom. Open up the charging case and then press and hold that button down for at least 15 seconds. If you're using a 1st generation or non-wireless 2nd generation AirPods charging case, the case's internal light between the AirPods will flash white and then amber, indicating that the AirPods have reset. If you're using a wireless charging case for AirPods 2 or AirPods 3 or even AirPods Pro, you can find that light on the front of the case. Once you've done this, simply close the lid and then reopen the lid of your AirPods case and place the AirPods near your phone. You should see a pop-up appear saying that AirPods have been recognized, and then you can go ahead and reconnect them to your device. If these steps don't solve the problem right off the bat, try resetting your iPhone's network settings. You can do this by launching the Settings app and then select General, Reset, and then here you'll see Reset Network Settings. Then go ahead and try repairing your AirPods by repeating the steps that we just went over. And that's it. If this video helped you at all, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button so other people can find this video, and hopefully it will help them fix their AirPods as well. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.